If I say monoterpene alcohols or menthol, do your eyes glaze over? Does it sound like a foreign language? How about if I say, who loves the sweet aroma of peppermint essential oil? Hi, Rosalie here for Targeted Tuesdays, which is part of my new Daily Visions of Excellence series, where we will focus on a specific oil or amazing blend of oils each week. This week, our target is peppermint. All of those sciencey words make a lot of sense if you're in the chemistry world. However, most of us are looking for ways to feel our best day in and day out and stay proactive with our health in a safe and affordable way where we don't have to worry about daily life challenges when they come our way. When it comes to information I share, please remember I'm not making any claims. I don't treat or diagnose. I offer information and ideas about essential oils to assist people in creating their own wellness journey. I've never had much interest in science until I experienced the power of doTERRA's essential oils and wanted to know why they work so well. Well, this is one of my favorite books. It's a great guide to the properties of the oils and what it does in the body. It's an incredible resource, and it's highlighted in the recommendations sections of my website. I love recommending resources online for mobile devices and reference books. As your knowledge grows about the importance of the quality of essential oils and the benefits of CPTG certified pure therapeutic grade oils, you'll be more and more excited about the benefits of these gifts of the earth and their powerful benefits. The plant name for doTERRA's peppermint is menthol piperita. It has a sharp, sweet scent and is energizing and exhilarating. Peppermint can relieve head and neck tension, promote clear airways, support oral health, and soothe the stomach. So you might be wondering, well, how can I use it? Well, you can use a drop of peppermint with lemon and water for a healthy, refreshing mouth rinse. You can take 1 or 2 drops in a veggie capsule to alleviate occasional stomach upset. You know, we just had that candy holiday, so it might be the time to be getting that peppermint out. You can add a drop to your favorite smoothie recipe for a refreshing twist. You can place 1 drop in the palm of your hand with a drop of wild orange and a drop of frankincense and inhale for a midday pick-me-up. The great flavor of peppermint essential oil makes it a popular oil to take internally. In fact, peppermint is the most popular essential oil used in the food industry, thanks to its pleasant, refreshing taste. You can add a drop of peppermint to your favorite smoothie recipe or to a protein shake for a refreshing twist, and you can use it to freshen your breath and ease occasional indigestion. You can even dissolve a peppermint beadlet in your mouth or add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint to a glass of water and drink. I challenge you, let's see, I have my peppermint right over here. I challenge you to do the dab test. Okay, here's your peppermint. Here's the dab test. Take your peppermint, put your thumb on it, and then put it to the roof of your mouth. Very quickly, you will get that amazing refreshment in your mouth, and it's awesome. Tastes flavorful. I like water after. Helps me to, get that oil going around my mouth and down into my digestive system. So it's awesome. We love using peppermint essential oil. It also supports the respiratory system really, really well and helps in those areas of internal, like nausea and motion sickness. Peppermint has very strong emotional benefits too, which is awesome. Okay. Emotional side of essential oils is something that I really truly believe a lot in, and it's helped me through many, many things. It's popularly used to reduce sad and anxious feelings, calms emotions, soothes away tension, and relieves restlessness. You can diffuse or inhale peppermint when you're feeling tired, anxious, or unfocused for a morning energy boost. Rub the peppermint touch on your temples, and the peppermint touch is one that's diluted with our coconut oil. And you can rub it right there on your temples right after you wake up. And throughout the day, you can apply it to relieve feelings of head tension, to increase a sense of alertness and concentration, and to soothe anxious feelings. And I gotta tell you, my mouth feels really refreshed. It's awesome. Peppermint essential oil is distilled from the leaves and flowering tops of the plant. There are nearly 2 dozen species of mint and hundreds of varieties that grow natively in Asia, Africa, Australia, and North America. Peppermint is a cross of watermint and the milder flavored spearmint and was first described by Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus, probably not getting his name right, in the 18th century. Peppermint oils are graded on the content of the menthol they contain. That science word again. Higher quality oils contain more of menthol, which is the primary constituent of the oil, and it's responsible for its positive effects on the mind and body. doTERRA peppermint essential oils is sourced in the northwestern United States and other parts of the world. Our peppermint oil comes from plants harvested at their peak when the flowering is just beginning, and this yields an essential oil with maximum menthol content and success for us. So we love that. If you want to learn more about the power of peppermint essential oil, click the link in my post and be sure to ask me any questions. I'm really excited to share my Wednesday wisdoms. This is my first week sharing those Wednesday wisdoms with you, and that's tomorrow. And then on our Take On Thursdays, I'm going to have some amazing recipes for you to take on with your peppermint essential oil. I hope you have a really great day and see you tomorrow.